First fish of the day. Little cat daddy on the shrimp. Hell yeah. Fish number 2 of the day. Another small cat. Let him go. Not doing too bad. Not doing too bad. Bro just went crazy. I picked him up. He spit the hook out, flipped around, almost stabbed me with his little shit, but got another one. I believe this is number 3. He definitely wants to go. Oh yeah, see, he's almost splashed you. Been a good day so far. Got another one. This one got pretty deep. He should be alright though. Yeah, he definitely splashed some blood up on here. We'll see if I see him floating. Got another one. Let him go. They've been swallowing it the past couple ones. They swallowed that motherfucker. I got the hook back. Got another little catfish. And he fucking shit on me. What the fuck, man? That's fucked up. That is fucked up. Got another one on the yak. I think this is the biggest one today, and he just shit in the fucking kayak somewhere. I've seen it. That's fucked up. Well, still having a good time. Got another one. This is a decent guy. He's a fighter for sure. See you later. Another cat daddy in the boat. It's probably the biggest one yet. I'd say 3-4 pounder. He was chill though. The smaller ones today fought harder than him until he got to the boat at least. I didn't get him that deep, right inside the mouth, but he's bleeding pretty good. We're gonna let him go real quick. Oh yeah, I lost track, but we catch a fish today.